Today we are going to edit some pictures using Snapseed founded by Niels Kokemore. Today we're going to show you how to achieve low tone brown filter using Snapseed. Now for the basic part, let's tune the image. For the brightness, make it negative 73, contrast positive 18, saturation positive 17, ambience positive 15, highlights negative 9, shadows negative 9, warmth positive 5. Now for the white balance, to make the background more toned and brown. Now for the important part, use selective tool to enhance every detail of the picture and the background. Now for the final tool, use HDRscape to achieve low tone brown filter. Now I will show you the difference